Hey you kids, and welcome back to A Very Windows Christmas. Yes, A Very Windows Christmas is back again for another year. The theme of this A Very Windows Christmas is early NT, so any version of Windows NT before XP. This year is going to rely a lot more on this machine than any other than my $80 cheap satellite. Solely because, well, I mean, I can't really run any early NT version besides 2000 on that $80 cheap satellite. So, yeah, this will have to do. So, for day one of A Very Windows Christmas, we're going to be doing a casual install of Windows NT 3.1. The very first version of Windows NT. So, yeah. So we have 86 bucks all loaded up here, and honestly, I'm sorry for the brightness. 86 bucks really needs to add a dark mode. Like, if they can add a floppy disk sound, they can sure as hell add a dark mode. For this, we have the hard drive right here, the ISO, and the boot disk. So, let's do this. And, yes, it just did that. Okay, so, I'm sorry, but I think the new iOS update has has some things where it just randomly changes the exposure of the image. Oh yeah, I already have the NT 3.1 ISO in there. Like sometimes it's really light and sometimes it's really dark. So I seriously apologize for anything for the stuff that's gonna happen, for the camera stuff that's gonna happen this year. Seriously, Apple's so bad at making cameras. Seriously. Like, they advertise their cameras as the best thing ever, yet when you, just try to record a screen with it, they're absolute pieces of garbage. So, yeah. Can't wait to get an actual camera. So, yeah. Looks like you're gonna have to put up with it. I'm going to minimize this window if it helps. Yeah, there we go. So, we have our floppy disk in the drive, and I'm pretty sure it's booting off of it now. There you go, setup is inspecting your computer's hardware configuration. Loading Microsoft Windows NT setup. Okay. Okay. There it is. Welcome to setup. Alright. And we're going to choose Express Setup. Thanks for beeping my fucking face. Well, okay, so it says connected to a SCSI adapter. We don't have that, so it looks like we're gonna have to change that. Alright, CD-ROM drives. I have to put it through SCSI. We're gonna put it at 72 speed, just so it's pretty fast. And I'm not sure what channel to set it at, so I'm just gonna set it at 00. If it doesn't work, then we know why. And it isn't showing up in the media tab. You've got to be fucking kidding me. Maybe we don't have a SCSI controller? Oh yeah, because we don't have a SCSI controller, right. So, I'm gonna try Adaptec. Shit, is that gonna work? ISA? PCI? We're gonna try PCI. We're gonna do NCR this. Oh shit. Okay, looks like the system does not like that SCSI adapter. Okay. Well, we're gonna go back to settings here. This A Very Windows Christmas is off to a great start. Okay, I seriously don't want to go through all this SCSI shit. Like, NT 3.1 is so picky about the hardware it runs on. Honestly, it's just kind of, it's pretty bad. But not to fear, floppy disks are here. I'm going to go download well, in fact, I'm just going to do it right in front of you guys, right on camera. So we're going to go to WinWorld here. Excellent site for downloading, old Windows software. So we're going to go to NT 3.x. 3.1, and then, shit. Okay, well, the only one they have, oh wait, nope, Okay, yes they do. Okay, shit. I just wasn't looking hard enough. Okay, yes, they do have this. nt.7zip. We're not gonna even really be using the CD. Looks like we're going to be using CD-ROM, the floppy disks. There it is, our beautiful blue. Enter. Enter. Setup has determined that your computer's startup hard disk contains a non-standard operating system. Well, there is no operating system on this hard disk, so we can just type C, unpartitioned disk space. Let's do NTFS. F. Press F to pay respects. And now, setup is formatting the partition. Okay, WinNT should do. Yeah, I don't want to get beeped in the face every single fucking time, so you turn it down to 0. Alright, so this has successfully configured your computer for Windows NT. To continue setup, your computer must be restarted. So I'm going to remove this disk, and now we're going to restart. Okay, so we're going to type in the name TWF and TWF co. Continue. Continue. Computer name. NT. Continue with that. Printer name. No local printer has been set up. Well, we could just continue with that. Continue. No network. Okay. Now it needs disk 9 back. And now we wait. Yay. Administrator account. No local account. Date and time. Okay. And this is back when the emergency repair disk was absolutely necessary. Okay, here you go. Asshole. Okay, there we go. And now we can just eject it and get rid of it. Alright, Windows NT 3.1 is now installed. Okay. So we can just delete all this media and restart. I'm just gonna turn the volume back up. Alright, press Control, delete the logon. We can just press Control F12. It's a handy shortcut that 86box has. Administrator, no password. Okay, so now we have a functional copy of Windows NT 3.1, but we still need to get to the nitty-gritty. I want to install the driver. So let's start with this sound driver. So we have a Sound Blaster 16 in here, so this is what we're gonna do. Oh, you know what? We probably need this back, yeah. Drivers, yes, this is it, drivers. Add, oh, right, it can only support Sound Blaster 1.x. I guess the 16 wasn't out, so we're going to change that to a 1. Shit, where is that? We're gonna change it to a 1.5. Actually, you know what? I think it works better as a Pro 1.x, so hopefully this works. Pro V1. There we go. Okay. Drivers. Add this. Okay, we need NT disk 22. And then disk 21. Do that. Specific for your card. Well, whatever. I think it works better like this anyway. And now we need disk 22 again. Creative Labs Sound Blaster 1.x driver has been added. Alright, let's restart. We do have sound. I'm gonna turn this up for you. It is a bit wonky, like the sound is a bit wonky, but you know what? It adds a bit more charm to it. I kind of like it. Here's the log on sound. Yeah, that. So, cool. You know what? I don't think we're gonna worry about graphics. I think sound is enough. So, let's explore this thing a little bit, huh? Yeah. So, let's see. We got... Well, we already explored control panel. Accessories. This is the first version of Windows with Media Player built in. Actually, no, that was Windows 3.1. This is the second version of Windows with Media Player built in. And we have version 3.1. I'm not sure if that's totally correct, but okay. And yes, we have no CD driver, so I don't think we're going to be able to play any audio here. Actually, I wonder. See. Do we have this? There it is, password.mid. Yeah, I'm not sure you can hear that, but it's a bit quiet. Oh, nice. Nice crackling there. Yeah, it is a bit quiet. Maybe you can hear a bit more there. Yeah, I mean, it is a MIDI, and it does play. It sounds fucking shitty, but it plays. Yeah. Let me just close out of that. And what else we got? Well, we got terminal for all your terminal needs. And yes, I know the terminal exists nowadays, but it's what they call the command prompt. But this is the real terminal. So you would probably do this through phone, and you'd probably be able to join some like text service, I could imagine. probably, I don't think I could do that, considering we're not connected to any networks. So, yeah. We got a CD player, but we don't have any CD drivers, so it's useless. Chat. Yeah, we can, I think we can dial a number and then pick it up. Maybe we need a phone hooked up? Like, if you had a computer back then, you would need, like, a network and probably a phone. Yeah, you probably need that, but, yeah. Volume control, you know, just in case you need it. And, yeah, it's pretty much that. Games, got Solitaire. Well, of course we got Solitaire. Oh, we got an ace there. That's cool. Yeah. Minesweeper. Always a good time. Let's do this. Okay, probably don't want to go there. 1. Oh, ooh, okay. There's probably one here, so we're gonna flag that. I'm gonna flag that too. Flag. Maybe that doesn't. Maybe? I don't know. Let's just take one lucky guess. Ooh. Oh. Okay, well, okay, well, we got free cell too. New game. We got, oh. Oh, I see what we're doing now. That there. Like, yes, I do want to resign that game. So that is an installation and exploration of Windows NT 3.1. So anyways, thank you for watching day 1 of A Very Windows Christmas, and I'll see you on day 2, where I install Windows NT 3.5. Alright, bye.